Hello everyone, I just got done with the gym and I started Brenda Anton's 6-week program to start the new year. Things I loved about it is that it's short and sweet because I don't have a lot of time to be in the gym depending on when my son wakes up, especially during work days. I try to be in the gym at 7:30, but if it's later than that, I don't have as much time to work out. So I love that it's short and sweet. It's similar to workouts that I already do, so it's nothing new for me. So it's just a nice plan to kind of follow instead of me thinking of what I'm going to be doing that day. My legs were already sore from my workout 2 days ago, so today's leg day really killed me. So that's nice. I feel like I'm going to get good workouts in. And the second thing that follows that is my nutrition. So I'm about to go to the grocery store and pick up a few things for the week just so I can stay on track and really reach my goals, which is to lose about 5 pounds and just feel good, feel good about myself and to be consistent. It's great coming to the gym, especially for my mental health, especially because it's my alone time. So it's really important to me. I'm really excited about this program because it will keep me accountable. I tend to fall off at the end, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, let's hit up the grocery store and get some food. on our second day of my son back in daycare. When I picked him up yesterday, he didn't want to leave. Usually he'll come to me and be ready to go, but yesterday he had other plans. He was having a good time, I guess, and wanted to stay and enjoy his time at daycare a little more. He definitely thrives in public places because every time I've taken him out in like crowds of people, he has the most energy. So that's a lot different from me. I'm very timid, homebody, introverted. But yeah, I tried to pick him up at daycare yesterday and he just wanted to continue playing, which is so funny because I still remember the first time we dropped him off at daycare. And even before that, I was really worried. I feel that the internet sometimes puts a lot of hate on daycare and making that choice. And yes, for some children, it may not be the best choice, but for us, as working parents without anyone to help us, daycare was the best option. And we're so lucky to have a new one open up by us that has been really amazing. But initially it was a hard choice. We didn't know what we were gonna do, whether we would hire a nanny a few days a week or send him to daycare. We didn't have an idea at the time of what daycare until this new one opened up, which I don't even think there is a daycare around us right now. So it was just perfect timing for us. But I was really nervous about sending him to daycare because I kept hearing all the things about daycare and how it can cause behavioral issues in the future. But I feel like he's getting a lot out of going to daycare, whether that's social interactions, because he does enjoy being around other people. And at daycare, he can be around other kids or just do his own thing. I also think it's great for him to have a new environment, not always being home, because he is home a majority of the time, especially this past month when we took him out in December. Even though we traveled a bit, but when we're not traveling and when we're home, it is difficult to make sure he gets out because we also have things to do at the house. And the process of getting him ready to go out it's just a lot. It's a lot for me. And I tried to take him out as much as I can. I started doing mommy son dates just to help myself mentally prepare getting out the house. Because sometimes it's difficult as someone who's always been a homebody. So I need that mental preparation to really be like, okay, we're gonna go here. I have to think of the place we're gonna go to. So I have an idea in my head and he's been enjoying doing those things. But yeah, daycare has been great for us. It gives us a moment to breathe, especially because I work at home during the day and when he's here, it can be very distracting. So it's a moment where I can just focus on my work and get what I need to done. And then after work, I go pick him up for the day and he seems to be enjoying it a lot. So our experience with daycare has been amazing. I do like that it's a moment for him to also get out the house and he's also learning new things. They have an outdoor area where he can get outside. We don't really have a backyard, so it's kind of hard to take him out often. The front of the house is a shared driveway, so it's not really a great place for him to be playing outside. So it's nice that they have that outdoor facility for him to get out every once in a while. I have been happy with him being in daycare. I think it's been great. If it's not for you, I completely understand because I was in that position as well and I was afraid of sending my son to daycare. We've had a great experience with daycare and I mean, we're just going to continue doing that for now. And if things change in the future, we're always open to that. So yeah, that's been our experience.